In this course, you're going to learn everything you need to get started with Python. Just be aware that I've designed this course for beginners, so if you have some programming experience, check out my other Python course for developers. You can see the link on the top right corner of this video. So, Python is the world's fastest growing and most popular programming language, not just amongst software developers, but also amongst mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, network engineers, and even kids. In fact, it's the ideal programming language to learn first. But what makes Python so special? Here are 6 reasons. With Python, you can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code than many other languages. That's why huge companies like Google, Spotify, Dropbox, and Facebook have embraced this beautiful and powerful language. Here's an example. Let's say we want to extract the first 3 characters of the text "Hello World." This is the code we would have to write in C#. This is how we would do this in JavaScript. And here's how we would do it in Python. See how clean and simple the language is? And that's just the beginning. Python is a multi-purpose language, and you can use it for a wide range of jobs such as data analysis, AI and machine learning, writing automation scripts, building web, mobile, and desktop applications, as well as software testing or even hacking. So if you want a high-paying, long-lasting career in any of these areas, especially AI and machine learning, Python is the language to put those opportunities at your fingertips. In fact, according to Indeed.com, the average salary of a Python developer in the US was over $115,000 in March 2018. And here are 4 more reasons that make Python the most desirable language. Python is a high-level language, so you don't have to worry about complex tasks such as memory management as you do in C++. It's cross-platform, which means you can build and run Python apps on Windows, Mac, and Linux. It has a huge community, so whenever you get stuck, there is someone out there to help. And it has a large ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools. Whatever you want to do, it is likely that someone else has done it before, because Python has been around for over 20 years. There are 2 versions of Python out there. Python 2, which is the legacy version of Python and is going to be supported until year 2020. And Python 3, which is Python for the future. In this course, you're going to learn Python 3. Hi, my name is Mosh Hamedani, and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. I'm a software engineer with 18 years of experience, and I have taught way over 1 million people how to code or how to become top professional software engineers. To learn more about me and my courses, head over to codewithmosh.com. All right, now let's get started. All right, now we're ready to download and install Python. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your browser and head over to python.org. On this page, under the downloads, you can see the latest version of Python. Currently, the latest version is 3.7. Chances are in the future, when you're watching this video, there is a newer version available. Don't worry, all the materials in this course will continue to apply with the future versions of Python. So go ahead and download Python and then run it. If you're on Windows, you're going to see this checkbox here, add Python to path. This is very important. Make sure to tick it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to follow the course. So now go ahead and install it. Now let's verify that we have installed Python properly. If you're on Windows, here in this search bar, type CMD, which is short for command prompt. Now here in command prompt, type Python. You can see we have successfully installed Python version 3.7. Now to exit, press Ctrl Z and then enter. Done. If you're on Mac, press Command and space. This opens up the Spotlight search. So here type terminal. Terminal on Mac is like command prompt on Windows. Now Mac and Linux by default come with an older version of Python, that is version 2. So if you type Python, you can see Python 2 here. That's not what we want. So press Ctrl D to exit and then run Python 3. And this verifies that we have successfully installed Python 3.7.